Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel At Home with Shell. So in today's video I'm going to do a huge Christmas home decor haul. I've picked up so many bits this year from loads of different shops. So in today's haul I've got a few bits from Home Bargains, from Poundland, from B&M, Dunelm, The Range. Yeah, quite a few shops. So I've kind of picked up a few of the best things that I've found and I thought I would share them with you. So this year I'm actually going to have 3 Christmas trees. I'm going to do a Christmas tree in Arabella's playroom, and I'm going to go for a candy cane themed Christmas tree this year. So I've had to get everything kind of red and white to go with that. I've gone kind of candy theme mad this year. So I'll show you everything that I've got to do that tree. If you're interested in doing that, I'll show you where I've got everything from. And I've also got a couple of other bits that I've picked up from other shops do my main tree, which is going to be a kind of cream, white, silver type colours. So first of all, I will start off with this stocking that I've got. So I'm actually going to make stockings. I've been wanting to get stockings for ages, and I wanted personalised ones, but they're really expensive. So some of them I found online were about £30 each. So to buy them for 4 of us, it's, you know, over £100, which is a lot of money on stockings. So I found these in Home Bargains. Oh my god, they are so soft. These are just amazing. So these were £5.99 and they are just cream soft ones. I think they did have them in red as well. And then what I'm going to do is I picked up these were in B&M. So these are just basically like initials that are to hang on the Christmas tree. But I'm just going to take this off. And then I'll put it on here. So I've got a glue gun. I'll basically glue this on here like so, and then really easily I've got personalised Christmas stockings. So, and I actually think they look quite premium because on here there's all kind of like, oh, I don't know if you can see, but there's all kind of like pearls and everything on there. So I think that will actually look really good. And then I'm probably going to hang these either along the fireplace or on the stairs. Next up, I thought I'd show you a garland that I picked up. So I picked this up from The Range. I've been looking for a garland for so long. I've got one that I picked up last year, and I normally put that in the dining room. I put that on the dining room table as part of kind of my my Christmas table decor. But I wanted a really nice one to go around the stairs. I did pick one up last year, but it wasn't very nice. I've looked high and low, and I found some really nice ones in local garden centres. But they were around kind of £50. So this is one that I picked up from The Range. It's 2.4 metres long, which is actually quite long, so it will loop around the stairs quite well. So hopefully in next week's video, I'll be doing a decorate with me video if you want to watch that and kind of see how I style everything up. But I really like this one. Oh, sorry about the noise. So this one, it's quite full looking, and it's got like little kind of berry things on there. It's got some ivy, it's got some giant cones, it's got different colours on it. It's really nice. And then what I'm probably going to do as well is just add a couple more baubles, and then I've got some flowers that I picked up from the local garden centre. What I really like about this one as well, it's got built-in lights. You probably can't see it in this light, but it's got a kind of little battery pack in here, and then it basically has down this kind of copper part here, there's all little lights as well, so I think that will look beautiful going up the stairs. I bought a couple more bits for my tree in the living room from Home Bargains. I really like these flowers. They're kind of white hydrangeas and they're quite glittery as well. So I picked up 3 of these. I've already got some flowers from last year, but I needed some more. And then what I'm going to do is basically put these in the tree, and then they'll look really nice in the tree. And these were £1.50 from Home Bargains. I also picked up a couple of things to put in Arabella's Christmas Eve box, although this year, instead of doing a Christmas Eve box, I'm thinking I might do a December the 1st box instead. So she's kind of got everything to use the whole way through December, because otherwise I buy a really nice Christmas pyjamas, put them in the Christmas Eve box, and she only kind of wears them one night. So yeah, I'll probably give her a little box with some activities and things in for the whole of December. So I will be doing a video on what I put in the kind of 1st of December / Christmas Eve box, and I will upload that hopefully next week as well if you want to see that. So a few things I've put in there. I'll be putting in this Santa's Magic Key. So this was 89p from Home Bargains, and then I also picked up this little Christmas plate, and this was £1.50 from B&M. I just picked up some lights for Arabella's tree. So I actually got her a slimline tree. And I picked that up from Tesco's. It was only £15, so I'll put a shot in of what that looks like as well. And then these lights I got from the range, so it's 240 ice white lights. I prefer the ice white colour personally to the warm white colour, and I think it will go better with the candy cane theme as well. So these were £7 from the range. I also picked up this really cool make your own gingerbread house. So I picked this up in Home Bargains, and this was £4.99. Which I think is actually really good value, because I looked at getting one online, and again the cheapest one I could find was about £15. So, and what I like about this as well is that it's already got all the gingerbread, like the kind of the frame of the house all built, so I don't need to bother making any of that. So it's just the fun part where we can decorate that. So we'll probably put that in her kind of 1st of December box as well, and then we'll make that one weekend in December, and then yeah, I think she'll really enjoy making that. I think any kids, honestly, would absolutely love making a gingerbread man house. And for £5, it's, you know, it's quite good value as well. And then I got a few other bits just to put in, again, the Christmas Eve box. So I got this hot chocolate snowman, which was £1 from Home Bargains. And you basically put it into the cup, pour hot milk over it, and then it just kind of melts and makes a really yummy hot chocolate. And then I have this, which I think is so cute. So this is some reindeer dust. Again, I picked this up in Home Bargains for 79p. And then I just got a couple of other little, just a bag of snowman, which I think these were 70p for them. And then these little lollies as well, which were 79p for a pack of 2 lollies. Again, will go in her little kind of Christmas Eve box. So before I get on to showing you all of the candy cane themed kind of Christmas bits that I got, I thought I'd show you a couple of bits that I picked up from Poundland and Dunelm as well. I told you I had a lot in this haul. So instead of doing just a normal advent calendar this year, I'm going to do a book advent calendar for Arabella. So I've actually ordered some books. Most of them I've ordered from the works. And then I've just got a couple of other ones as well. So this one was from Poundland, and I think, you know, £1 for a book is really good value. And it's called My Letter to Santa, and it basically teaches children around kind of writing a letter to Santa, and then they can put their own little letters in here as well. So I think that's a really good book for £1. It's quite kind of padded, and it's got little lift up flaps in it as well. So that will come in quite handy. Then I just got a jumbo Christmas colouring book from Poundland, and then I got some bits to go in the kitchen. So I got this double oven glove, which I think is really cute, and my kitchen's kind of a duck egg theme. And yeah, I just thought this was really nice. I actually need a new oven glove anyway, and I thought this would be nice to hang in there for the festive period, and that was only £4 from Dunelm. And then I also got a matching pack of tea towels. So a 2-pack of tea towels. I really like this kind of the green theme as well, and the green tea towels. And this was £3 for 2 tea towels, both from Dunelm. So I think that's kind of everything that I got that isn't candy cane themed. So now I'll move on to everything that is kind of candy cane themed for my tree that I'm doing in Arabella's room. So first up, I wanted to show you these amazing baubles. I'm so happy that I found these in there. I've looked everywhere for them, and they're always so expensive in kind of local garden centres and things. But I found these in Home Bargains for £6, and you get 25 giant baubles, which I think is amazing. So you can see in here you've got plain red ones, plain white ones, glittery red ones, glittery white ones. So I just think they will look absolutely amazing on the tree. A couple of these headbands. I'm not actually going to use these as headbands, so these were 99p, and what I'm going to do with these is put them inside the tree, and then they'll look like little kind of elf legs hanging out the tree, which I think will look really cool. I brought a couple of these elves, so I've got 2 of these. These were £2 each, and again I'm either going to put these in the tree somehow, or just sat in the playroom in shells, just kind of add to the candy cane theme, because I think these are quite cool. And Arabella absolutely loves them. We do a little bit of elf in the shelf, kind of hiding it, but I think she's a little bit too young for us to do it kind of properly. I also got some bigger elves. I got 2 of these elves, so I got a boy and a girl elf. So these were a little bit more expensive. These were $3.99 each, but they're kind of, they've got like the balls in, so they're a lot heavier. And again, I think these would look really cool, just like sitting in the shelf or on her cabinet, kind of in her playroom, which would look really cool. I really like these ones. I love the colours as well. So next up, I got this from the, I think this one was from the range. Yeah, I really struggled to find candy cane themes, so I looked kind of everywhere. So if you are looking, hopefully you'll find this video useful in showing you where you can pick up anything kind of candy themed this year. So this was from the range for $1.99, and it's quite big as well, so it will make quite a statement piece on the tree. Again, I got some more of the headbands, so I got 2 of them. I picked up this kind of red glittery stag, which I'll hang on the tree, and this was 79p, which I think is such a bargain. And I got this from, where was this from? This was from Home Bargains. I also got this cute envelope, so again, this will hang on the tree. It just says special delivery to Santa, and it kind of opens up as well, so you could even put your child's Christmas letter in there, which is quite cool. And this was only 89p from Home Bargains, which again is an absolute bargain. So I got a few other bits. I got some tinsel. I'm not a massive kind of tinsel fan. I find it a little bit tacky, but I thought this would look quite good just to kind of fill some of the gaps in the tree. And it's, again, it's like the candy cane theme with the red and the white. So I got a couple of them to go around the tree. Picked up these baubles. I got these ones from the range. So these are kind of white and red, and they have like little bells in as well. So I really like these. And they're just a bit different as well. So yeah, I think they'll look really pretty on the tree. Sorry if that's really noisy when I'm doing that. And these were, how much were these ones? These were £5.49 from the range. I got a few actual peppermint candy canes, and what I'm going to do with these is just kind of hook these on the branches of the tree. So I got these ones from the range, and then I got these ones from B&M, and I think both of them were around 99p. Both of these I picked up from Home Bargains. So you can see here it's 2 metre candy cane bunting, so I'll put these around the room in the playroom where I'm putting the candy cane tree. And then what I might also do is, if I need some more decorations for the tree, kind of cut them out and use them as individual hanging decorations. And they were only £1, so really good value. These 2 in Home Bargains, and they're actually dog toys, so that they squeak. But I thought they were really cute and would really go with the candy cane themed tree. So I'll just kind of put these in the tree somehow, and they were only 79p, so even for dog treats that's really good, and I think they're really cute, especially that gingerbread man. I was looking for something like this everywhere and couldn't find it, so yeah, this is a dog treat. So I got some bunting. This was from Home Bargains, and this was £4, so it's bunting and it has lights in it as well, so it's got kind of battery, it's battery lights, and it just says Merry Xmas. And I really like the kind of Hessian bunting along with the red writing. I think it will go with the theme really well. And then I've just got a few little decorations that I'll show you to go on there. So I've got this little tree, which I thought was really cool. So it has a little bell on the end of it. It's just kind of green with some red baubles on it. And this was 99p from the range. I quite like these little nutcracker men. So these are nutcracker decorations. So I got this one in the kind of the green and red. And then I also got this one, which is a red and kind of navy one. And these were £1.29 from Home Bargains. I really like this really cute present. So it's just green and red. And that will, again, just hang on the tree. And I thought it was super cute. And that was 79p from the range. I also got a couple more of the Nutcracker men. So again, these were £1.29 from Home Bargains. So I think I've got 4 of those in total. Then I just got a couple more decorations. These were in the range. So these were £1.99 each. And I really like these because I really like the little kind of legs on it. And I just think there's something a bit different as well. And then, so I got one with a red body and one with a green body. both £1.99 from the range. Then I only really have a couple of bits left, so I just got these chocolate tree decorations. I just like the Santa and the Snowman ones. So these were 79p from Home Bargains. And next up, I've just have this striped wrapping paper. So what I might do is wrap a few old kind of shoe boxes and boxes and put them under the tree. And then I thought that would look really cool just around the bottom of the tree. So that's most of the things that I've picked up this year. So you can see I've picked up quite a few kind of home decor and Christmas decoration bits from a range of stores. If you are going for a candy cane theme, hopefully it's given you some ideas on the different shops where you can get types of things from, and Home Bargains was fantastic. I've seen quite a few people on Instagram as well who have got a few of the kind of lollipop ones from there. I do want to get some, but I haven't found any yet in my local Home Bargain, so I do keep going back just to check that they haven't got any in there. But I really hope that you found this video useful. I love doing a haul. I just like to kind of share some bits that I've brought with you. I love watching them and I love filming them as well. So if you have enjoyed this video, then give me a thumbs up so I know, and let me know your favourite item in the comments down below. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!